They're gonna choose it. The order is different, a little different. So the top first player, the top one
First
player,
seed.
right? The first seed, and this 32nd seed will choose at the same time. Okay, but what they choose will be different. Okay, so 32nd seed will choose
Oh, choose from the mid,
from the middle,
then
and this one will choose
the
from the
bottom.
bottom. But actually, well, they get to both choose from the same from both seeds. Like here, I'll just
But it's
fucking
just like
do it
different
like
order.
this. This is fucked up, but whatever. So the top first seed from the
That it? Please tell me.
bottom
No, the
group,
chat.
right? Will choose. Will put in 32 names in their draft, and for the middle group, they'll. Wait, no. We'll put in one name for their draft, and for the middle group, we'll put in 32 names. The 32nd player will put in one name and 32 names. Does that make sense?
Wait, why?
Why? Because um, it's for balance. It's for balance. Yeah.
They're putting in names?
Yeah. So you just put in the names of the players you want.
Oh,
So by default, they'll just have like. But I guess you'll put in like in the order of highest priority and shit.
Is this gonna be on the exam?
Yeah.
What are your office hours? I need to come after.
so I should do really bad so no one wants to pick me, right?
Um. Well, here's the thing. Like, are you gonna end up in the middle group or in the bottom group?
Oh, who
But
knows?
like, here's this is also gonna be the pick
It's
order for
hard to
these guys.
gauge.
Why did it
Okay.
get all blurry?
Oh, it did. Oh well.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
So these guys. Oh shit. This is
Number
gonna a little
two.
convoluted. The
Wait, doesn't
second
number two
seed,
pick from
the
bottom?
number two will also pick from the middle, 31 players instead of 32. And 31 will pick 31 players from here.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
2 players from here. Shut the fuck up, Chris. Though. You have no idea what that's like.
This shit's so confusing.
Bro,
Are you doing math?
Yo, this is amazing diagram, isn't it? Visual learners, yeah. I should probably choose different colors, but so basically, the people in the middle, um, what is it? 16 and 15. These guys are fucked because they don't have anyone guaranteed from
oh,
both groups. Fucking
what
Joe.
the frick?
This is why you check rate my professor before you take the class.
Hey, you following? You following?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we want to make the team, uh, well, one of us will happen to be 32nd or first seed, and then, well, yeah, that's just it.
Chris, you know that wait.
That's the only way to guarantee
It
teams.
seems so like redundant. Like you have to select 30, 31 names, 32 names.
Yeah.
Thanks for the lecture.
Oh yeah, it's
Professor
because
Brendan.
like let's say like the first seed, right? Wanted this one guy in the bottom group, but the second seed also wanted him. Well, he had put in 2 names, so he gets the second guy, and then so on and so forth. Makes sense.
Wait. I don't know. I mean, like,
So that they don't have to like pick in like they don't have to choose the dates to pick. They all just put in names. All right, class is over. Go to.